and Jacob Yerk. I'm trying to talk quiet because I don't want people to find us. So we're behind this door. It's locked. I don't think we're supposed to be here. I'm gonna go anyway. We just came up from here, this big locker room, and we're gonna see what else we can find. Wait, another thing about it, we have a camera down the locker room. Your shirt is shiny. It's like, looks like a construction worker shirt. No, we didn't come from there, we came from here. I know. Oh, what the hell? Hold on, can you hold the camera? Hold on, Joe. Nope. Yeah.
We also found like a lounge room.
Yeah, like, I feel like it's for like employees only. That's why it says authorized personnel. Haven't been in here. Oh, yeah, that's the men's locker room, you remember? I don't know.
Oh, this is where we came in.
Oh, it is? No, we came in from here. Yeah, but we came in from here. Remember? Where'd you go?
I tried to find
Do you want to go in that one place again we went before?
Yeah. I haven't tried going into like the ice skating rink because I remember that.
Yeah.
And like this is probably still be full.
Yeah. Steal some snacks. Hey, there's a light bulb up there. Do you think it works? Probably not. Works now.
This
It wouldn't budge last time.
because of the chain on it.
Or is it that? Is that something welded on there?
It's the chain that's like hooked onto it, so it won't come out.
Oh.
If you get like a stick, you can get it.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see it. How could we could probably get a stick, yeah. I don't know if we can maybe there's something in my bag. Can you hold my phone?
Oh, wait, that's not a penny. That was like
There might be something like that. I want to check.
I can try it.
Yeah, try it.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Alright. So let's keep looking. Shirt, towel, nose, Diaz, handkerchief. I don't think that'll work, Jake. That's not gonna work.
Maybe the thing is that.
Don't you dare. If you drop it, I swear to God, I'll break this fucking door down and get it back. Wait, hold on, look at this. It doesn't have a doorknob. Did you bring the pliers? We could grip it and use a handle.
Why would I bring pliers, right?
I don't know. I brought them before. No, it's probably locked anyway.
Also, guys, go on to my channel and check out the test so you can see how wide and how big it is.
I didn't really buy it. You got it from me. Yeah.
Check out the ICU.
Yeah. I'm gonna include the journey because why not?
Maybe just like speed up a bit.
Sure. Huh?
Stairs are everyone's weakness.
Oh, I didn't hear you. I just kind of laughed and pretended I did.
Just wanted to make up the video because you're not.
It's locked. We could get into the pool. We could get through that door right there. Yeah, I know, but what should we do?
Break the window.
Here, I'll donkey kick it. Oh.
Do you have like a paperclip?
No. Yeah, if I had a paperclip, I'd try to pick the door. I've done it once.
Yes.
If I had 2 wrenches, I'd just break a freaking gate lock. Have you ever seen that video?
Yeah.
Or that freaking trick? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Should we just go back to the snack bar? Oh, wait. Wait, aren't there like... Yeah, there's doors in here. Locked. Ah, shit, these are probably locked up. Wait, I know another way we can get through. Jake, are you serious? You trying to scare me?
What?
You held that door shut.
No, I didn't.
You're full of shit.
No, I actually didn't. Search your house.
Oh. You know. Ooh. Is that a water bottle? Like a plastic or a metal one?
Oh, it's a tennis ball.
Oh.
Okay, so where's that door?
If you're like 2? Yeah. Are you recording or not? Okay. It's where we recorded that one video, Tennis 2. Or part Luigi's Adventure 2. Yeah, there's this door back here. Here, I got the camera. Ooh. They locked up. Yeah, I probably should have held the door open. Yes. I'm gonna take a couple of these tennis balls.
Oh, jeez.
Alright. Here, can you hold my camera for a minute?
Yeah. Alright guys, so if you didn't see, we just grabbed like a few paper clips from there because they had some in their office.
I haven't done it for a while, but maybe I can do it.
We got a few, so.
I'm not even sure. It's probably in the DS. Okay. I'll give it a shot first. I haven't done it for a while, but I'm pretty sure you bend it like this.
That's for Sandy. That's for Sandy.
Remember there's some doors around here? They're not like, not allowed, but I'm pretty sure I've never been in there before. No, up here. Bruh. Yeah, there's a woman over there, isn't there? Huh? Hey, is that the principal? Huh. Bitch is black. Dude, we're in. Wait, didn't we want to go to the ice skating arena over there? You know, fuck it. Oh my god, imagine if we actually got in here and had the pool to ourselves. Dude, if we had the pool all to ourselves. Wait, there's a steam room in there. Oh, we have our clothes on. Whatever, let's get naked. Just kidding. No, that's gross. I forgot my bag. In the gym. Is this an emergency exit?
I don't think so.
We're good. What is in here? Nope.
The ice skating is that way.
I want to get my bag and then I want to go up there.
Okay, I'm gonna get your bag and we'll just go.
Okay. Jake opened the wrong door. Alarms are off. We're fucked.
Probably.
I swear to God, this is not fake. Oh my God, my heart is beating so fucking fast.
I hope not.
Oh, if I had my bag, we'd be fucking running out of here. What do we do? Go back in?
Yeah, we can go back to the front.
There's cameras though.
But were they actually on there? I have no idea.
Shit, dude, we can just tell them that we were exploring, and I don't know. They left those doors open. How were we supposed to know? There were no posters or anything. We'll be fine. Shit, oh my God. Damn it. I heard that going off and I was just like, what the fuck? Is that the boiler? Then you came running in with the most scared look. I was just like, oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, my face was like, I just seen it go. I was like,
I was just like, Jake,
my
what's wrong?
stomach turned whenever I heard that.
Yeah, oh, you went the wrong door? God damn, I should have came with you. Shit, okay. That's a cop car. None bad. We're good. That's Joel. Okay, you know what? I'll resume this when we get this all figured out. Oh, the alarms are still going off. Alright, this is bad. The alarms are still going off. I want to go around the building and see if we can still hear them.
Okay.
I want to go around to the other side of the building and see if we can hear them. Why is it so dark? Huh? Oh, it's not. Yeah. She doesn't hate me, I just hate her. I feel like we should go back.
I think we should go home.
Why not have some fun? Come on. Let's go back. Wait, what's that? There's still some in it. I dare you to take it. I would do it. What is this, Bang? No. I don't know what it is.
Body feel. Stimulations. That.
I don't know.
Is it even bad?
No, it wasn't bad. It didn't taste that bad. It didn't taste like normal, though. I wonder if there's something put in it.
So, our plan is to go back in there the alarms are going on.
Yeah. I want to go upstairs. Or at least want to prove to them that this was not fake. There's alarms going off. Just so people don't think it's clickbait. Huh? Jesus.
Changed your mind fast.
Yeah, it's just,
Is this when you're recording?
yeah. It was loud and it got into my head. It was just like, what the fuck?
Yeah, so let me guys know. Okay, we did, in fact, tripped fucking alone like a fucking idiot.
No, we should just tell the whole story. So, in the last couple scenes, I forgot my bag and I wanted to get it before we explored anywhere else in case we got in trouble so we could just take it and leave. And, so I sat down, I was chilling out, looking at my phone, deleting files so I could make room for these new ones. And I hear, woo, 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 woo. It didn't sound like that, it just sounded like this, like, fizzing sound, so I thought it was, like, the boiler or something going on. And Jake comes screaming in, and he has this, like, so fucking scared look. I thought he like, I don't know. I thought he was trying to scare me at first, and I saw his face, and I was just like, what? And he was just like, dude, I tripped the alarm, let's go! And I was just like, what? I got out, and I heard it, and then we just sprinted to the fucking door.
We literally yeeted.
Like, I swear to God, Jack, I ran faster than you, about 3 times. I hit that door in like 2 seconds. It was just, boom! This time there wasn't as much adrenaline because I could hear it coming. This time there wasn't as much. I still ran pretty quick because I was just, I don't know.
Wait, this time, wait.
There was adrenaline this time.
Well, what happened last time where you didn't get adrenaline?
I had so much fucking adrenaline.
This time?
No, last time.
Why'd you have adrenaline?
Because the fucking alarms went off. And I couldn't figure what was going on, so we ran to the door, remember?
Oh, that time. I thought you meant like this time that we just like heard the alarm.
No, that wasn't as bad.
That's because we knew what was going on.
Yeah. What is that?
I think that I opened that door right there.
Which one?
That one.
Thank you guys for watching.
We might find something else to explore if we go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Or if we just find something else interesting.
You know what? We have to make this a new channel, like exploring shit. You know what? I'm gonna do that.
HDJY and JL exploring.
JL.
Jackalope.
Oh. You should have just said HDJYN X13. Because Heidel Dude, Jacob Urich, Jackalope X13. Unless you want to do JX13. Alright, whatever. We'll catch you guys later.
Yep, bye.